Hi everyone, Nishka here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com with another fun unboxing video for you. Before I get started, quick reminder, check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that notification bell and make sure you subscribe. Today we are unboxing a brand new collection from Eureka. I know it's been a while and we're all very excited to hopefully bring back these collections on a more regular basis like they were when we first launched these guys. There are a few little changes and we're so excited to show everything off. Okay, so the first thing you'll notice is that we've got new envelopes. Aren't these just striking? How cool is this? Super sparkly. Gorgeous packaging. So fun. But the most important part, of course, is all the stuff inside. So let's take a look. So we have this pretty tissue paper as usual. And I'm just going to open this up. So pretty. Very spring-like. So what do we have here is this beautiful selection of colors for spring. So let's just open this up and take a look at everything inside. All right, so I'm going to put this here, our beautiful image and our very pretty beads. And we have our little description paragraph. Wildflowers spring up along the path, blooming on the landscape as if a paintbrush of vibrant colors has swept across the field. The dazzling array of colors is an inspiration and an invitation to brighter days to come. Love that. So let's take a look. This is a sheet that has a list of all of the products that are in your collection. Everything is listed here by number, and the numbers correspond to numbers here. And you have your SKU so that you can look it up when you want to check out the exact item that you received on our website at EurekaCrystalBeads.com. So we have seed beads, Czech glass, Kharkovsky crystal, Chinese crystal, and a whole lot of findings in this beautiful wildflower collection. So let's take a look at all the items one by one. All right, so let's start with our selection of Toho beads that we've got here. And we are really enjoying a lot of different shapes and sizes here. So this is a very pretty spring palette, and we've got hexagon beads. This one is actually Takumi beads, and Takumi beads are just like regular round Tohos, but they have a much larger hole. I think it's like 30% larger. So these are excellent for complicated projects. We're doing a lot of like bead weaving and you're making multiple passes through a bead. You can get more thread through, make it a little easier for you. Here we have a size 8 round and also a size 6. So we're really running the gamut here on a lot of options. And I just want to show you how beautiful some of these colors are. I especially really love this bright lemony yellow color. It is just stunning on these hexagons. Doesn't that just look like sunshine? With that silver lined finish on the inside, it really gives a beautiful glow, and you can really see how the shape adds a lot of texture and dimension here. These are so fun. Absolutely love these. Let me also show you these really pretty soft pink Takumi beads up close. So you can really get a real up close look at how large these holes are in this 11-0 seed bead. Look at that. So pretty. So pretty. Try not to make a mess here. Love these triangle trays. They're just perfect for gathering up seed beads that go flying. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then we've got something a little bit darker. You can imagine this color is more of an inside of the petals, sort of a deeper sort of berry color, which also really nice and beautiful. And finally, this nice last one, a translucent, creamy color that you can see here in some of these lighter colored flowers. But that's not it for seed beads. We actually have some from Miyuki as well as Czech beads. So the next two are our Miyuki beads. So we have a very beautiful chartreuse color with an AB finish. This is an opaque, really nice spring green. And we have this size 15-0 cream color as well. So you've got your creams in the spectrum. So from 15, the smallest, to a size 6 round. And as you know, our Miyuki seed beads are sold by weight. So the tubes aren't always full, but you are going to get the right amount in each tube as is measured by weight. Whereas our Tohos are full tubes to the top. So just so you know to expect that when you get your beads. But isn't that lovely? And it really looks nice with the colors that we've already got here. And finally, my favorite, bam! Look at that. First of all, how many beads? Look at this huge tube of beads. And this color is just awesome, awesome, awesome. So this is part of the Terra Intensive color line from Preciosa, and these are traditional Czech seed beads. They're also glass, just like the rest of them, and these are also size 11-0 and round, but they are just absolutely mouth-watering, and you get so many beads in this tube that just awesome, awesome, awesome. I think I want to put it like this so you can see how it looks with all of these other colors, right? It really brings out these bright pinks and is really playing with that beautiful spring, and also will take you into summer kind of color. You get so much done with this big tube. Okay, our next category is Czech glass beads. So the first ones I'm going to show you are these really cool, unique, and different trio beads. And these are, again, in a really nice neutral color that you can use just about anything. And let me just show you how cool these are, because actually this is the first time I'm seeing these in person as well. So these are like triangle shaped, like 3D triangles with two holes that you can string your string through. So you can use these as spacers, really cool and unique way to add some texture while you're working. You can work them all together to make a three-dimensional design. I can't wait to see what everyone comes up with these cool shapes, because these are very, very unique and you can get some really interesting designs going. I can imagine these being used to create some kind of really cool bezel, for example, around a stone. So that's definitely a bead that you can be really inventive with. I really like all the different kinds of shapes of the Czech glass multi-hole beads. It gives you so many different ways of thinking about beading and bead weaving, and you can really make cool stuff that you won't see anywhere else. Okay, so let's start these guys over here and we'll see where we get to. Next, we have a favorite of Eureka customers, really, really pretty teacup beads. I'm sure you've seen these before. They are so cute. They're just kind of shaped like a bead cap, so like a little dome, and one hole going through. And these are in a nice deep, deep green. You can see some of that ivy in the picture that this is pulling from. And this would be a beautiful accent around a larger bead. And you can stick some like very small little bead inside to create all sorts of really pretty things. So I really, really like these for adding extra dimension and design possibilities. Finally, in the Czech glass, we have some very cool flowers. So we have 3 colors here of these really pretty hibiscus flower beads in this really pretty yellow. And if you really look close, I actually want to show you in person, you can see that they're not just flat colors with like a little wash over them. You can really see the satiny dimension with this very pretty sparkle inside. So they're not one-dimensional. Well, they're three-dimensional in multiple ways, literally and also with the color. So I want to just pop these down here because you can make a lot of really pretty designs with these. And I would use them all together. There's another one. And you can see that it's a white flower washed with a pink wash over it to really get into the details of that pressed glass. Really, really pretty. And doesn't that go so well with this color right here? Wow, love it. And here's another one. You can get in really in there and see that shimmer that's applied along with the color wash in this sort of more purpley one. Not pretty? So pretty. And finally, we have some beautiful gemstone rondelles. So these are rondelle cut Czech beads in this extra faceted, sparkly variation. And these have this kind of milky glass look to give it a real natural gemstone-y appearance. So there's a little bit of this milky green with a transparent green, and it's very, very natural looking. These are very pretty. It's hard to find these gemstone rondelles. So there we go. That's our Czech glass bead selection. So we're moving on to crystal. All right, so our Krakowski crystals that are included in the collection are from our glitter line. So you can see that the foil on the back isn't a mirror finish to give you like a crazy, crazy sparkle. It has instead this iridescent glitter. So it's a different style and it is a little more subtle in the way that it's going to pick up on color and really it kind of has an internal glow instead of the traditional sparkle that you're used to. We have a beautiful bright lemon yellow in this octagon shape. We also have this rose pink, like a light rose pink, and we have a green of really vibrant spring green. And then you have a little kind of a peach color going on here. So you can see on the back, they're coated with this lacquer coating. And before that lacquer is applied, there's that glitter that's applied inside on the back of the stone to really allow it to have this iridescent internal glow. So it's a new line that we just added and we hope that you like it. And of course, this is going to be really fun to work together with these and make some really pretty things. These feel like candy in my hands, like they're just like chiclets or something. So yummy. And it's a really nice spring vibe with these particular stones. Less less sparkly and more glowy with this finish. So I'm just gonna put these guys here. So they look so pretty all piled together. And next we are going to go and take a look at our Chinese crystal. So continuing on with that really pretty spring pink, green, and yellow theme, we have our Chinese crystal rondelles. These are so sparkly. They're 3 by 2 millimeter, all three of them. All three of them have this special extra luster sparkle coating on them to really make those facets pop. And they're just beautiful. And you get these nice long strands that you can really add to so many projects. They make great spacers. And we also have a few projects showing you how you can use multiple colors in one design, like our wrap bracelet project. So they're really fun, really beautiful, and you really get a lot to work with. So now we are going to move on to our findings, our final category, and I'll just show you all of the cool things that come along with these beautiful beads. So this time we have a really wide selection of copper and antique copper findings. Some of these are Tiara cast brand, like this button and this button. You have some very pretty flower-shaped bead caps, a whole bunch of eye pins, very useful, making dangles with beads. We have 2 tiara cast buttons. This is a really pretty bamboo one and this really trendy monstera leaf one. So you can see they're buttons that are perfect for making clasps. All you need to do is make a beaded loop and then you can put your button clasp through there and you're all good. We also have another type of clasp here. It's a sliding multi-strand clasp. This is great if you're going to make a cuff bracelet. An excellent way to finish it off, make it look really nice and finished. A whole bunch of wire guards. Add that to your stash. And these really, really cute dainty connectors. So you can use these to add a little space on an earring. You can connect them and create a bracelet or any kind of necklace as well. So a lot of great options, and these are very cute, very pretty. They have this really nice design on them. All right, so that's it for our beautiful new Wildflower collection from EurekaCrystalBeads.com. And really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and you got to see some of these products up close and learn a little bit more about them. And now you know what to expect with the collection. And I'm just so excited to see what everybody comes up with these products. And we really hope you like this selection of colors and feel inspired to make something really beautiful this spring. So anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!